to your YouTube studio right now and turn this particular setting on. If not properly optimized on your channel, a lot of small content creators are making this silly mistake. Like, I've been going through some small content creators page after making this post on my community homepage, and I realized that most of you are making some mistakes which you need to correct. This might be the reason why you're not getting that desired views, you're not getting subscribers, and definitely there is no how watch hour will come. So I beg you to stick to the end of this video for you to get every single information that I'm going to be sharing with you right now, and know the particular setting for you to go ahead and turn on immediately on your channel. Now, when it comes to getting subscribers to your channel, getting that views on your channel, that is getting people to subscribe to you on your channel, it comes in 3 different ways. The first way is from just watching your video. Just like as you find my video, you find it resonating, it's something you are maybe searching for here on YouTube, or YouTube recommended it to you to watch and you're simply watching it. That is the first way. And maybe you just decide to go ahead and hit that subscription button. Now, the second way is by what I call to action, which is the creator himself telling you to simply go ahead and hit that subscription button, or making use of the YouTube inbuilt cards, which is simply telling you to go ahead and click on a particular link in order for you to subscribe to his or her channel. Now, the last one is basically what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video. So before we even get to that, if this is the first time you are seeing me, I am your host, Princess Chiamaka, and in this channel I teach you basically every single thing to help you grow on YouTube, to help you move to the next level on YouTube here. So if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. Secondly, like this particular video, drop a comment and share so that it can get to a whole lot of content creators who need this video. And without much being said, let's just go straight into the video. Let me show you this powerful setting that you really need to go ahead and turn on immediately. So right now I'm going to take you guys through on a screen record on one of my student YouTube channel. So I'm going to be basically fixing every single setting, and I'll be explaining a whole lot. So I advise you to stick through and watch so that you don't make any single mistake, and at the end and after watching this video, you go ahead and fix every single setting the right way on your channel. So let's just get straight into the screen record right now. So guys, this is the interface of my students YouTube channel homepage. Now, to get here, all you just need to do is to go ahead to Google and type studio.youtube.com or YouTube dashboard, and it's going to definitely bring you here. Or you might be asked to sign in. If that's the first time, just go ahead and input your YouTube channel password and all. So that is it. Now, coming down to this customization side, because what we're basically trying to do now is to set his channel homepage correctly. Guys, I'm going to be showing you some settings that you need to go ahead and make sure it's properly optimized the right way on your channel. So to get to this customization, all you just need to do is to check this left hand side of the screen. When you scroll down, you got to see the dashboard, you got to see the okay, this side is the analytics. Then when you just go down, you will get to the customization side. So coming down to the customization side, if you notice under this profile, you can see that the channel banner is totally empty. And when we go down here, okay, this channel has picture already on the profile. Now let's go down. When you go down here, you will see that okay, the person actually tried the description aspect is properly optimized. Now let us go over to this place. You see that the handle is also properly optimized. The name is quite cool depending on what he or she wants to make use of. Now coming over to this YouTube banner, the reason why YouTube provided this banner for us is for us to go ahead and give much more information about our channel. So if you are watching me right now and your YouTube banner is empty, of course, why should it be empty? Your YouTube banner speaks a whole lot about your channel. You know, your YouTube profile is just for you to put a picture there, maybe your picture or what your channel is all about, maybe one of your contents. But your YouTube banner, you can have the access to go ahead and tell us, okay, my channel is all about traveling, I go to so and so place. Just go ahead and design and customize it the right way and put it there. So the first thing we're going to be doing is to make sure that we fix this banner, and for us to do that, I won't be able to do it right now in order for it not to waste our time. So the next setting we're going to be going into is this home tab. Now when you come to this home tab, you see how empty it is. Very empty. So like this, YouTube doesn't even know what this channel is all about. YouTube don't even know whether this channel actually uploads video or not. Why? Is because you are supposed to set every single thing correctly. So the very first thing we're going to go ahead to do now is to create a For You page, is to create a whole lot of things. That is to tell YouTube, okay, this is what this channel is all about, and aside that, to also tell returning subscribers or those coming to the channel for the first time that this is what the channel is all about. And for us to get that setting, where we need to go ahead and click on is this add section. So when you click on add section, you get to see your channel trailer, which is the first one you see here is spotlight for returning subscribers. You got to see For You, you got to see videos, popular videos, shorts, down to this top community clips. Now the reason why I said even though you might have optimized this setting before, you need to come back to review it as time goes on. Yes, because you might have viral moments on your channel. There is no need of using a video on your channel that have only 100 views, whereas you have video with over 10k, 5k, 2k views on your channel. So all you just need to do is to always come back here and review it. Funny enough, I recently re-optimized my channel a few days ago. That is why I decided to make this video, to create more awareness. What we're going to do now is to select video that returning subscribers, that is people coming to this channel over and over again, will be able to see. So we're going to look for our best performing video. That is, if you have any video on your channel, even if it is just only 50 views and it's your highest so far, just go ahead and put it there. So right now, if you notice, as we click on that video, this channel home tab has changed. It has taken a new phase. Now we're going to go back there to that add section and create For You. This For You is very important. So when we click on the For You, look at what it's brought up for us. YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewers' interests, and this is visible to your viewers when you have enough more content. So what you just need to do now is to go ahead and click on this place. So when you click on this place, look at what it says. The For You section recommend content based on viewers' interest. You can decide the type of videos it shows and highlight your last upload. All right, so that one is sort. We're going to be going ahead to that add section again. So for the add section, you get to see videos, popular videos, short videos, upcoming live streams and all. Now for this video aspect, when we click on it, YouTube will just bring down all our videos once. So we're going to go back to that add section again. That is how you'll be doing it. Your popular videos, you can just go ahead and click on it. YouTube knows your popular video, so definitely is going to set it correctly. So just go ahead and be clicking on them one after the other. Your shorts, you want them to show on your channel homepage, go ahead and click it. Of course, you want everything you do on your channel should appear on your channel homepage. So just go back again to this add section and go ahead and optimize every other settings here. Now once we are done with this, the next thing we need to do is this. So there's something that I forgot to show us earlier on. Let's go ahead and click on this add section again. So you see this channel trailer. I think this channel trailer is all about bringing out videos that your subscribers are going to watch when coming to your page. That is, people who haven't even subscribed to your channel at all for the first time. And that is where you need to use one of your best performing video or the best video you have on your channel. So when we click on this channel trailer, it's going to definitely bring us to our video. So it's in your power now to choose one of your best performing video. Okay, let me go ahead and make use of this one. So this is one of our best performing video. Now if you take a look at this place, it is getting much more beautiful. So this is to tell you that if your channel is not properly set and optimized the right way, you're missing out a whole lot. Now under this layout, let's see what it's all about. You can customize the layout of your YouTube channel so that viewers can view your channel trailer, featured videos, and feature section when they get to your channel homepage. It's same thing we are all saying. These settings help to push out your video to much more people. So before we go further to more setting, the important setting that I told you guys earlier on that we need to go ahead and optimize is under this for you. You know, this for you, it's in the power of YouTube to pick the content as they like. So for this for you, you don't have control over it. Just make sure you enable it on your channel, that is on this setting. Now if you look down here under this for you, you see this more setting. There is a particular setting that we really need to go ahead and turn on immediately in order for it not to affect our video views. So when you click on this more settings, it automatically brings you to this place where you have this what to include in the for you section. So basically you're going to select what you want YouTube to include in the for you section, which is going to appear on your channel homepage. Now when you come down here, you see content type. You have your video, you have your shorts, you have your live stream, and under it you have recency, which is the first one is all content recommended. The second one is recent content recommended. Now if you're choosing this first one, that is you're simply telling YouTube to recommend every single content on your channel. That is, if you've been running your YouTube channel for like 5 years, you're telling YouTube to recommend both your videos of 5 years ago. So that is one side. But if you're selecting this second one, which is recent content only, contents you've posted at least in the last 12 months, that is your recent content on your channel, you want YouTube to keep on bringing it up, showing it up to people to watch on your channel, then you can just go ahead and click on it. So this channel is just few months old, so the best option to click now is on this all content recommended, because this channel doesn't have videos of like last year. Or another one thing is, if maybe you're running a vlog channel and all of a sudden you want to go ahead and switch, that is to change niche, clicking on this all content is not always advisable, because you're trying to gather new audience, fresh audience. So you need to go ahead and click on only that recent content. Now if you come up to this place and you realize that your video is turned off this way, your shorts are all turned off this way, and the live streams are all turned off, you need to make sure you go ahead fast and turn every single thing here on. So after turning it, make sure you go ahead and select this recency before you click on done, because the minute you've turned this on and you click on done, you have automatically optimized the settings. So guys, please, this is the way it should be in your YouTube studio. Now once you're done with it, just go ahead and click on done. So guys, like this, we have achieved a lot of setting. Our YouTube channel homepage is getting set correctly the right way. Now let's go back to that add section. So when you come over to this add section, you know that you still have live now. Actually this channel hasn't started live streaming yet, yes, because it's not up to 50 subscribers. Then past live stream, upcoming live stream, single playlist, created playlist, multiple playlists, subscriptions, featured channels, top community clip. Now if you have another channel that you want to advertise on your channel homepage, just go ahead and click on these featured channels. Maybe you have a channel on another niche differently and you want your audience to maybe always check you out, go ahead and click on featured channel. So guys, I think with this setting we are good to go on this channel homepage. At least this setting is perfect for this channel. So once you're done, all you just need to do is to come up here and click on this publish. If you go ahead and exit this page, you've lost every single setting you did here. So go ahead and click on publish. So definitely everything is going to set. YouTube is going to review and the settings will be made publish. Now let's go back to this profile to where we have this our banner image. So for you to set a banner image, you can go ahead to Canva to create an outstanding banner. So for you to fix it on your channel, all you just need to do is to go ahead and click on this upload. So when you click on upload, it's going to lead it to your photo library. Then just go ahead and select the picture and set it as your banner image. So if you notice, I have automatically set a banner image. Now the next thing you need to do is when you come down to this place where you have your handle and where you have this description, though I've made a lot of video on this particular setting that I'm about to tell you guys right now. So all you just need to do is to go down to the comment section and ask for the video, and I'm going to drop the video link for you to do. And that setting is just all about you dropping a particular link which anybody coming to your channel is going to click on it and subscribe to your channel. So that is the link. If you're interested on that video, just go ahead to the comment section and drop it, and I'll just forward the video to you. Now for this links aspect, it's just for you to impute other link. That is, if you have other social media platform, everything is going to appear on your channel homepage there. So you can always go ahead and drop the app name and also your URL link. So just make sure you optimize every single setting on your channel homepage, the profile and the home tab under this customization on your YouTube Studio dashboard. And believe me when I say you're going to start seeing changes on your channel as time goes on. So guys, once you're also done here, do not forget to always click on publish before you exit this page. If not, you've lost every single settings you did here. So guys, if you're able to fix this setting the correct way on your channel, you're going to start getting views, you're going to start getting subscribers, and definitely watch hours is going to come. If you have any question, go straight to the comment section and drop it, and of course I will attend to your question. So we're going to draw the curtain here. Bye and see you in my next video.